I should be practicing cutting, but I want to watch.
I was gonna say, you want to watch?
Come on, we need an audience.
You're gonna see
Peanut
me fuck up my
gallery.
hair.
We give you the peanut gallery.
Do you want me to record it?
I am recording
it.
it. We both
But
are.
if you want to record it too, you
From
can.
another angle.
Yeah, we can get multiple
TikTok
angles.
it.
We're gonna end up talking and eventually.
I was gonna say I just made one for my makeup work, and I did it with that stupid assignment song, and I was just like, I had
I'm
to. I
scared,
could
but also
not.
I'm not. It's worth it
Oh yeah,
to have healthy hair.
yeah.
You ready?
Especially
Yeah.
with all the coloring you've done on it.
Every cosmetology student has to shave their head completely at some point,
Yeah.
or every cosmetologist.
We all have. She has really long hair, guys. I like the 8.
Yeah,
I like this one. What's
I
that?
know.
that's what I was thinking. Is like,
You keep these sideburns?
No.
No? Okay.
I mean, fade it up.
Alright.
You look so good.
yeah. Oh, that'd be cute with like short in the back and then like an inverted bob. I think would be really. Super
I was
cute.
gonna say short in the back, long on top, kind of like a guy's flipper cut, so like cute,
I was gonna say even like an inverted bob would have been cute.
just for the pure purpose of getting it all.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be cute. I already like it.
I know, it looks so good on her.
It's been like the week of pixies or the month of pixies.
Yeah,
I mean, yeah, I've had pixies like since high school. Every like 2 years, I go through a panic attack and like cut my hair short.
Do you know what number guard you usually use when you get it?
I used to get like a 3 on the sides and back.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about
And
on
then-
top?
Oh no, I used to just get it scissor cut
Oh.
on top. It was like really long on top. It was like down to here.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. I've never actually like shaved my head.
This will be a fun experience.
Uh-huh. What?
I didn't catch that either.
it's so freaking cute. This sideburn. That's cute.
Yeah.
That's really cute.
You should keep your sideburns on top.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Just to stick like that, just saying. But it looks really sticky. Not really on her.
Do you mind if I just take my mask
Yeah.
off completely? Alright.
I don't want to go too low with that though. I like this.
The mohawk?
Yeah, like see that looks good.
Yeah, that's.
Look at the back.
That's what
It
I
does get you a mirror, so
I
just
can give her my
thinking-
phone and try to do it that way.
Hey y'all.
Let's
Oh, look at all the hearts we're getting.
Right? So see if you want to use my phone as like the.
Oh yeah, let me take a picture of it. Oh, I should probably take a
You know,
Well, I
look
don't know
like
if
a
you want to like
boy.
spin her around and do like the mirror shot where you're kind of like looking at it like that.
Look. Take your selfies in my student's phone. Okay. So you,
Find those gems later.
right. Like, oh, I know her. When I get really famous, be like, I used to be my teacher.
Right.
Okay, so you can see. That looks really good. Like the side. That mohawk is brown. What's your size? And then we.
Maybe let's see how it looks after, and then I can see if I want to commit fully.
Okay. Alright. Put some more down.
It annoys me because one of my piercings like keloided, so now I gotta try to like take care of that. I usually have is like long front.
It's like I want to switch it up.
Yeah, I hear you. Oh,
How's
nice.
you just need to change.
Oh, no, I'm gonna take it back. Leave some of that. See? There?
Yeah.
Alright. That's over.
I want it to grow out nice. I don't want to be left with the awkward bob.
Yeah, I can
Because
get that.
that's what I used to get when I was growing out my hair.
Yeah, it's a good thing
I want
you
it to
are
grow out
going
like into a 90.
It's a good thing you're going to school for cosmetology. You got lots of people around you that could always help you touch it up every so often.
Thank you. They said it's looking good already.
Told you to be careful.
Yeah, I'm like, already. Heather, you definitely could have done this.
I know. I just. I don't know
She
what it
panicked.
is.
I know.
I'm very nervous.
So,
I mean, that's why
girl,
we're
this is
like
what you're
she's
in
here
hair
to
school
help you.
for. What do you mean? My client has to know. When I'm like, oh, you want a haircut? Okay, sit down. I don't
Let's do
waste no
this.
time. They don't even get a 1, 2, 3. I'll be like, all right,
Give
it's
what I give
time.
you.
Oh my God, Corey, you're such a cutie. I'm freaking loving it. Sure, no bang. Sure.
Yes.
Woo!
I don't like the bangs. Right now, at least.
Oh, I think it's fun. I like it.
I
I
love
mean,
it.
I like the bangs too, but like.
The cut is so cute on you.
I know. That really suits you well.
Y'all tell her to keep her bangs, guys.
No.
Tell her. And her sideburns.
Then it's not really shaving my head if I keep my bangs though.
I mean,
But it's still a style. The
It's-
rest of your hair's still
it's
short.
such a funky style.
Yeah. It's like a modern,
Do
like.
some blending right there. All right, you sure?
Yeah.
All right.
There goes stuff.
She's sure she doesn't want to keep it. We're gonna do it.
I'm gonna regret this, but I will.
Hair grows.
I mean, it's hair. Whatever. I've had 4 brush cuts. It's fine.
Yeah, that's a good
I'm
length
so
for the
excited
top of
over
it.
there.
I'm so happy.
I feel like
I've
this
been
is.
talking about this for months.
I was gonna say this is something you've wanted to do for a while. This is like all you've been talking about. Now you finally get to do it.
Ooh, Corey. Alright, so. No sideburns, guys. She doesn't want it.
Not for lack of trying.
I know. Oh, they said it's pretty. Ah, isn't she such a cute?
I'm gonna go to work tomorrow.
They're gonna be like, oh my God.
Who is that?
You know what? They'll probably ask you like, this is gonna be the most annoying question. Did you cut your hair? No, I
I
didn't.
cut all my hairs.
Like, no, I didn't cut
That
it.
dad joke.
What do you think is happening? Do you see hair on me? Because if you don't, then I'll cut it.
I can't wait to see my favorite like customer though.
Oh, I know.
She comes in every like most days.
And where you work at?
UPS store. Be careful around the eyebrow.
No, yeah.
Sorry, my eyebrow piercing is my baby. Never fully healed.
Oh,
no.
really?
Yeah. It's really annoying because my lip also didn't actually fully heal, and that's why I have a keloid that I have to take
Really?
care of.
Gotcha.
It randomly just like starts bleeding again. Don't go to tattoo places for piercing.
Oh.
You said don't go?
Yeah.
I always heard that they were actually the best.
Yeah.
No,
I hear-
piercing shops are definitely better. Like ones that are dedicated for piercings.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, I look like a boy.
Alright, we're gonna take some more down.
Yeah, just the sides.
We're going down some more, guys.
I had to. I just.
Yeah.
This is what she wanted.
No, it is.
Yeah, I was to say you've been dying for this. Now what's your next adventure gonna be?
Nothing. Just
No.
grow out my natural hair color, I guess.
I was just gonna say, like, are you gonna do anything funky with the color? But
I might not. Who
Color
knows?
would be bomb.
I need to eventually like get that taken care of. No, it's just to actually get my hair to stop parting in the middle.
I don't know if it would. It seems like that's your like natural.
I feel like
You
if I
like
mess
how-
with it enough, it might.
I was gonna say you could probably like when you wash it, maybe like gel it forward or like I don't know. Like, do you want it off parted or do you want it like forward?
I just want it like mixed in.
Okay.
I don't want
if
a
you wanted it,
part
like,
for now.
Like go like forward, like that, or if you want it like off part. It all starts when it's wet, manipulating it. Of course, now your hair's gonna dry in like 3 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Whereas mine
It's
takes
gonna
like,
be nice.
right. Whereas mine takes like 3 days
I'm
to
like
dry.
gonna barely ever have to like clean my hair.
I was gonna say,
anymore.
yeah, less shampoo, like save on that.
I mean, I didn't really use expensive shampoo anyways.
Hey, now you're gonna really save yourself some bucks.
Corey.
So cute.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so nice. But you really do have the face for any style, like seriously. It's so like, and you have like a funky style, so like you really could wear any style.
Yeah, you wear it well.
Kind of like that. I could do braids, I could do locks, I could do short hair.
Yeah.
I've had so many different styles with people. I was like, wow.
Jack of all trades.
Mhm.
It'll be fun wearing my UPS store outfit.
There you go.
It's a bright blue shirt. It's really annoying.
Oh no.
Guys, what's up?
Gonna have to wear a lot of makeup now though.
Hey, like you said, wear a beanie.
Mhm.
Are you allowed to wear them when you're at UPS?
Nope.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Not even for
yeah.
like the colder weather and stuff?
Nope.
Oh,
What?
okay.
What do they have you do?
I mean, I'm just a store employee, so I just stand behind a counter.
Oh, that makes sense. I'm thinking you're like a truck driver where you're like
No.
doing delivery stuff.
That is so funny.
That makes sense. They
Yeah,
don't even
no,
have like
I've parted
a
it
UPS
that way
hat.
for so long.
You could do like, you know, some
So,
gel or, yeah.
Do you want me to get my like spray bottle after to like wet it down?
That's how she wants to let it on. I think she needs to.
yeah, probably. I don't think I ran this by my teacher.
What's that?
I don't think I ran this by Miss Perez.
Oh.
Getting your haircut.
Yeah,
She'll like it.
getting my hair shaved.
Okay.
You've never mentioned it to her that you wanted to do it?
I mean, I have, but I haven't ran it by her
I was gonna
recently.
say, has she ever like said?
I
"No,
also
like-"
now have to go and get a black wig from someone so that I can do my Halloween costume.
I was gonna say, yeah, I had to buy Eric a wig for when we went to a Halloween party on Saturday because of his shaven head. I mean, his hair wouldn't have fit the costume anyway, so. But-
Yeah, I told you I'm Jay and Silent Bob.
Yeah,
So I
that's
have to
right.
get a black wig for that.
Oh yeah.
I
You
love.
should probably paint on the mustache part. Would you do that? The spray one, I don't think we have it because I have like the creamy stuff. Because I want to do something.
You have like a natural tail anyway, so mohawks are fine on you. I'm gonna need to cut that. I'll just leave it. I mean, I cut it down, but
Dude, that piercing's healed. It's just I haven't replaced it because I haven't like tried to. Are those my shears or yours?
It's just,
Very cool.
I think so. Yeah.
These are my shears right here. That's what I was
Oh
asking.
yeah, it's just. Hey, niece. I'm gonna give you a soft line, nothing hardcore, because you're not a boy. So, just gonna give you a soft line. Anybody else want a haircut?
Anyone else want to shave their head?
I'm so with it. Oh, okay, niece. I'll cut your hair.
Be careful. There's a metal bar sticking out of behind my ear.
Love the hair.
Luckily that piercing's healed.
Did that one hurt?
No?
No, it didn't?
No. It was like a pow, and then a bit of heat, and that was it. Do I look like a boy?
Okay, I will. Love you too, baby. All right, guys. Wearing the arm. She's done. She's done. So we wanted to cut it all down. So if you want your haircut, let me know.